Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Ashley B here, and if you are new to my channel, thank you so much for clicking on my page. And if you could just stop what you're doing and click the subscribe button that's right below here, I'd be so appreciative of it. And to my regular subbies, thank you so much. Before we start, I just want to say that it's been 5 months, 5 full months since I have been natural, and I have been able for the past maybe 3 weeks now, I have been able to put my hair in a puff, you guys. I am like ecstatic at the amount of growth that has transpired over the past 5 months. When I get to 6 months, I do my six month length check. Okay, so furthermore, we are here for the unboxing of the very first box of 2018, my favorite, the CurlBox. CurlBox. I'm such a geek for CurlBox, y'all. Don't even mind me. I just love them because they always get me together every month. So I just broke the seal, and so the publication for this month is Limitless Living. Okay, as you all know, it gives you a little bit of something to read on the inside of there. Okie dokie. I'm gonna come back here. Ooh, okay. Bubble wrap. We are doing the new Creme of Nature coconut milk line this month. I love Creme of Nature, y'all. So the first that I see is the Curl Repair Leave-In. Is this leave-in conditioner? Yeah, leave-in conditioner. We also have the Hydrating Curl Cream. We have the Curl Quench Foamy Mousse. And we also have the Essential 7-Day Treatment Oil. So, oh, wait, hold on. I thought I was done. 24-hour edge tamer, edge control. Now, you know, girls always got to have her edge control. So I always got to try to keep my hair on fleek. And this is the Creme of Nature shampooing brush. I am so excited to try this new coconut milk because I know for a lot of people, when they say go natural, first thing you need to grab is some coconut oil. A lot of people's hair don't work good with coconut oil. I'm not even gonna lie. But thankfully, my hair does. So this works for me. I am sorry for anybody who it doesn't work for, because coconut does not work for everybody. But I'm glad that my hair binds both to olive oil and coconut oil. So I should be blessed. I should be blessed, and I am, because I can do both in my hair. So therefore, I am very excited to try these products on my hair, because you know the first thing I'm gonna try, I'm not even gonna tell you, I ain't gonna hold you up, it's gonna be this curl cream, because if it can curl and get my curls together, we start with that, because my curls take a long time to pop with certain products, and so I need something that's gonna help my curls. Now, I'm just saying I am excited. Like, I hope y'all excited. If you don't got a CurlBox, I'm going to tell you this every time I make an unboxing of the CurlBox. Get you a CurlBox, okay? I don't know why I'm so hyper today, y'all. I guess I just feel really blessed. There's been a lot of things that's been weighing me down, and I've been sad a lot. But I'm still here. So I'm finding the light at the end of the tunnel to just be happy and to not let things stress me out. I don't have anything else for you guys today. I just wanted to unbox this beauty box with you guys today. I love CurlBox. I love them a lot. They always get me together. Like I said, that's all I have from me. For you, be blessed, stay blessed, and I'll catch you on my next video. Bye.